If your credit score was 800, banks would compete to lend you money. Lower interest rates, better credit cards, easier apartment approvals. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step plan to reach an 800 credit score in 6 months. No hacks, no scams, just strategy. Let's get into it. Understand how credit works. Most lenders use the FICO model. Scores range from 300 to 850. Here's what actually matters: 35% payment history, 30% credit utilization, 15% length of history, 10% new inquiries, 10% credit mix. If you master the first two categories, you can dramatically increase your score fast. Step 1, never miss a payment. Payment history is the biggest factor. One late payment can drop your score 60 to 100 points. Here's what you do today. Turn on auto pay for minimum payments. Set reminders 3 days before due dates. If you missed a payment recently, call and ask for a goodwill adjustment. 6 months of perfect payments builds serious momentum. Step 2, lower credit utilization below 10%. This is the fastest way to boost your score. Credit utilization, balance, credit limit. If your limit is $10,000 and you owe $3,000, that's 30%. For an 800 score, stay under 10%. Under 5% is even better. Action steps: pay down balances aggressively. Make payments before the statement closing date. Ask for credit limit increases without a hard inquiry if possible. Low utilization signals low risk. Step 3, become an authorized user. This is a powerful shortcut. If a trusted family member has 5+ years of history, perfect payments, low balance, ask to be added as an authorized user. Their history can show up on your credit report and boost your score quickly, even if you never use the card. Step 4, avoid too many hard inquiries. Every hard inquiry can temporarily drop your score. During your 6-month sprint, don't apply for random cards. Open only one strategic account if needed. Space applications out. Consistency beats speed. Step 5, check for errors. Review your credit report for incorrect late payments, accounts that aren't yours, wrong balances. Even small errors can cost you points. Fixing them can raise your score in 30-45 days. Realistic expectations. Can everyone hit 800 in 6 months? If you're starting in the 650-720 range, yes, it's possible. If you're below 600 with collections, it may take longer. This isn't about tricks, it's about discipline. Why 800 matters. An 800 score can mean lower mortgage rates, better auto loan terms, premium rewards credit cards, stronger approval odds everywhere. In America, your credit score is financial leverage. Here's your simple 6-month blueprint. Month 1, auto pay plus lower utilization below 10%. Month 2-3, request limit increases plus maintain perfect payments. Month 4-6, no missed payments, no unnecessary inquiries, keep utilization low. Stay consistent and the score follows. Comment your current score below, and I'll tell you the fastest move for your situation. Subscribe for more real-world money strategies.